Hello, welcome to Car Pros. Today we're going to show you how to change the front brake pad and rotor for 1996 to 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. The first thing we're going to do is remove the plastic covering piece that hides the lug nuts. Next we're going to remove the real lug nuts and then remove the tire. Next, we're going to remove the slide bolts that hold the caliper on, and then remove the caliper. Next, we're going to remove the old brake pads, but hold on to them. We're going to use these later. Next, we're going to remove the mounting bracket for the caliper. Now remove the rotor. Next, we're going to compare our old rotor to our new one to make sure that they're identical. Now we're going to clean off the new rotor using carburetor spray. Now replace your old rotor with your new one. Next, we're going to clean and then grease up the slide bolts. Next, we're going to replace the clips that are in the caliper mounting bracket. Now we're going to compare our old brake pads to our new ones to make sure that they're identical. Now we can replace our caliper mounting bracket. Next, we're going to take an old brake pad, put it into the caliper, use a large pair of channel locks, and recess the caliper pistons back into the caliper housing. Do this until the pistons are fully recessed into their housing. Next, we're going to replace our old brake pads with our new ones. Now we can replace the caliper and bolt in the slide bolts. Next, we're going to replace the wheel using a cross bolt pattern. Next, we're going to hop in the driver's seat, go ahead and depress the brake pedal all the way to the floor slowly, and let it up slowly. We're going to keep repeating this until you get a very firm pedal. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please visit 2carpros.com.